I am heading to work. This is my third day. I have 2 more days to go and I should be finished. Yep, this is my lifestyle now. I've been working every day and the only time I could do some videos is probably during my day offs, which is quite busy when I'm off because I still need to catch up with my errands and so on. But anyways, I'll still try to manage to do some video tests for you guys. As right now I am actually doing the S9 Plus versus the iPhone 10. We are going to be shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. The front will be in, I think the iPhone, I don't know if it shoots 2K, the front facing camera, I'm not too sure anymore. But what is that, the S9 Plus is shooting 2K. But anyways, I'm going to render them out in 4K 60 frames per second. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. And hopefully it will be a great battle, guys. Alright, so let me just grab my work shoes here. Ouch, static. Oh, hold on. Take that. To leave my key. Okay, so let me just grab my work shoes. So I hope the S9 Plus low light camera is good. It's got that variable aperture which will adjust during low light. Okay. And there is my camera. I don't know if the iPhone 10 can focus that. And yeah, so just a couple of more minutes and we should be off to the highway. Check out this emoji that I made from my S9 Plus, guys. I don't know if it looks like me, or does it look like me, or it somewhat kind of look like me. So what else there? Okay. Alright, so let's just do a quick zooming test here, guys, and see what zooming capability we have here on both devices. So it looks like the S9 Plus here can zoom in more closer. The window right there, the 3 windows right there on the S9, it's much closer zoomed in compared to the iPhone 10. Zoom back. Okay, look at that nice houses there, guys. I'm actually here at White Rock, or South Surrey. I'm just waiting to go in. But look at that beautiful weather. Let's check out and zoom some more. Check out the window up there, the top window. Alright. Okay, let's go back. Alright guys, so I'm here now. I'm just gonna park my car under the basement. This is where I work. Here we go. Let's find some parking. Where can I find parking? Looks like I have to park over here. I'm finally off from work. It was quite a event today, guys. Quite an event. But anyways, it's done and over with. It is pretty much nighttime now, 11 o'clock. Late in the evening, late at night. So I'm just gonna drive home, do my routine, shower up, wash up, have something to eat, and then go from there. Watch some YouTube videos. Okay, just hold on guys. Let me try to hold this properly, make sure that there is nobody here. Alright, so this is pretty much what it looks like in low light, what the footage looks like in low light. Let me clean the glass here, it's a bit dirty, my windshield. Let's make it nice and clean for you guys to see. So this is pretty much what it looks like in low light, guys. Looking at the screen display here on the iPhone 10, it looks like I could still see myself, whereas for the S9 Plus, I could barely see myself. So when it comes to front-facing camera in completely low light situation like what I'm in right now, the iPhone 10 is somewhat better. Even though it's grainy, it's still, I'm able to see myself, whereas the S9 Plus, you can't really see myself. So I'm here in my back alley. I'm just gonna do a little quick low light test. I've got a light up there in my garage. Just gonna go for a little walk here in this alley. In the alley here, it's quite dark. And looking at the screen display, it looks like the iPhone 10. You could see me, but it's quite grainy, whereas the S9 Plus, it is very, very dark. Alright, there you go. That is the front-facing camera. Now we're gonna check out the back camera with the flash on. This is the back camera. I haven't turned on the flash yet. We're gonna check it out, see how it looks like. The S9 Plus should perform very well, especially it's got that variable aperture, which is should be good in low light. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna turn on the flash on, guys. Just give me a second. Got the flash on both devices. Walking here in the alley, completely dark, and this is what it looks like, guys. Okay, so the flash is very bright. I can't even see what's in front of me. And I hope it turns out well on both devices. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go inside before I get murder here. Today's plan, I will be heading to Richmond. I'm gonna go grab myself a silicone case for my Galaxy S9 Plus. Just to make sure that my device is gonna be well protected during all this tests I'm gonna be testing it on. And later on, we're gonna be heading to Metrotown. We're gonna be watching some movie later on. I still have some few tickets that I haven't used, which will be expiring anytime soon, so I'm gonna better use that up. And also future videos, I just want to announce to you guys this new gimbal that YourTech has sent out to me. This is the Gimbal 2. It is a selfie stick stabilizer for your smartphone devices. I've been testing this out for quite some time now, and I am very impressed with this product, that this could be my daily driver gimbal now. So stay tuned for this video. And yeah, so I think my car is already warmed up. I'm gonna go and head down to Richmond. So I'll see you guys there. Guys, I'm out of there. I just got my silicone case for the iPhone 10. So my iPhone 10, my S9 Plus, I mean. All right, let me just do a stabilization test here, guys. I'm here in the stairwell. Let's just see how stabilized these devices are. So I'm just walking here as casual I can be. So just focus on the screen display. Alright, we got some low light here. Let's see how this thing will go. and I'm gonna try to run or jog. And again, just look at the screen for the shakiness. All right, so I'm here in Richmond. As you can see, it is we got lots of Asian store here. Asian store. Okay, so I'm gonna try to jog now. So focus on the stabilization on these devices.